101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, I am Radiasti Saril or RD Sam, back to you guys, to smart viewers and listeners, to handle this program, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities, of course, and Smart FM Makassar. And of course, as I mentioned just now, that we have friends from English communities. I'm not alone here. We have friends from a few communities. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to introduce them one on one. Yeah, one by one. I mean, yeah. Okay, baik. Let me. Okay, you. Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay. I will introduce myself. My name is Andika, but you can call me Dika. I am from Edelweis, and maybe you all not know about Edelweis. Edelweis is a community based on volunteering, not English community
only, not only English community only.
Yes, that's right.
But also volunteering, right?
Yeah, correct.
Wow, that's great. What about the schedule? I mean, your agenda, your activity, how it looks like?
Maybe like just like there's not a specific schedule, but something happen in the social, like like right now, but the winter is not the winter, but the
in a broad
weather,
country, yes.
the weather is like this, like storm and things. Maybe like make float everywhere.
What about English study club itself? What about the schedule?
The schedule maybe like sometimes is online, sometimes is offline, like
and sometimes is hybrid.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Okay, to more detailed information about Elliot later, could you mention the Instagram account to smart viewers and listeners at home?
The Instagram account is Elliot's Letter.
Okay. So Elliot's Letter. Please follow, guys. Okay, next. What about you? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, my name is Wafik Aziza Rizky Amalia. You can call me Cica.
Cica.
Yeah, I'm represent of Makes Almarkas Hudi Almarkas Hudi Enlightening Studies.
Okay.
We are the English community based on Almarkas Moscow, and we have 3 times meeting in a week. On Thursday and Saturday at 4 p.m.
Oh wow! So 2 hours in every every Sunday, Thursday, and Saturdays, and for 2 hours each, right? 2 hours, right? From 16 to 18.
From
4 p.m.
Until
4 p.m. until 6 p.m. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the Instagram account? Could you introduce? Mention to smart viewers and listeners at home about the account Instagram, please.
So we have an Instagram account at Makes Almarkas _ So you can check to gain more info. So follow us.
Yeah. Okay. Follow Max Almarkas. Yes. Okay. What about you? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay. I would like to introduce myself.
Yeah.
My name is Sartika Sari, but everybody calls me Acha.
Acha?
Yes. I'm from English Youth Community. It's usually called EUZ. And in UZ, we not only study but also teach.
Okay.
And but also teaching. And we have our programs. The first program is free meeting. Free meeting is open for everyone who want to study English. And the second is intensive meeting. Intensive meeting actually only open for the Asian of English Youth Community. And the third is Kampung Binaan. Kampung Binaan is the place which is used by the Asian of English Youth Community to teach about English.
Wow, that's great. What about the account Instagram? Could you mention to
Yeah, so if you want to know more about English Youth Community, you can check it on our Instagram account at EnglishYouth_community. Thank you.
Please follow. Okay, next. What about you? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, my name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian. I'm from BPEC Makassar.
What stand for BPEC?
Benteng Panua English Club.
Not Banteng.
Benteng.
Yes.
Yeah. Banteng is red.
Oh my God! Don't mention it. Oh my God! Yeah, Benteng Panua English Club. What about the schedule, please?
The schedule is every Sunday. Every Sunday morning at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay, the Instagram, please.
BPC Makassar.
BPEC Makassar. Yeah, please follow. Yeah. Okay, give a applause for us, guys. Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yeah, we were talking about our topic for this evening. Yes, talking about the phenomena when we live in our journey. Of course, we have a lot of friends from all of in around us. People come and go, and some people is bad, some people is good, and some people is so. But we will talking about positive vibes are good people, and that's why our talking about today is helpful friend. Give it applause for us. Yes, we will talking about helpful friend. So my first question goes to who's gonna be yeah, okay, Dika, what is your reaction for the first time when you hear this topic, helpful friend?
How to say that? Just like I have many friends, but sometimes if you need your friends in the urgent situation.
Yes.
There's only one person.
Really?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay. This one person you can get help for it. Wherever he is, and what time he can make that. Can I mention the name?
What for? Don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Okay.
If positive, please mention. If negative, not. If positive, you may mention. If negative, no.
That's my friend is Aji.
He is a positive vibes, positive people.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Aji. Okay, good.
He just like my classmate.
Okay.
He just like always help me what situation and some maybe like far direction. Just he came what I needed, what time I need.
So you are very welcome with this topic, because actually this is very very relate with your daily life, right? Especially right now, because you have a special
Friends.
I mean like a special good people like Aji, something like that. Not special people, special good people, something like that. Yeah. Okay, not special one. Okay, thank you. What about you, Chicha? What is your reaction when you first time hear this topic?
Well, I really happy because I love to talk about friendship, especially for the helpful one. And
yes,
even though we have many meetings on mix, but we haven't talked about the friendship.
Okay.
And yeah, because
you guys always talking about scientific,
yes,
right? Always scientific. Always
yeah.
scientific. Okay, continue.
Yeah, I'm so happy to coming here and meeting you guys and talk about the helpful friendship. And I also wants to sharing about how helpful my friends.
Yeah, because our topic is very reality, right? Very real.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Chicha. Okay, ding diam right? No? Okay, what about you? Acha? Nahi. Acha. What is your reaction about our topic for this evening?
Actually, this topic is really interesting. I do like it because when we talk about friendship, I think it's really important, right? I think we cannot live without friends. Maybe it's especially for me, because when I have trouble, when I have problem.
Okay. Trouble is a friend?
No. When I have problem,
yes,
I used to talk with my friends. I need someone to talk.
Like your heart.
Yes. That's why I like this topic so much.
Yeah, you like so much this topic. Okay, what about you? What is your reaction to hear this topic for this evening?
Okay, I think
welcome back. No, okay.
Yeah, talking about this topic is very interesting to discuss, because this topic is talk about our friendship. And I really want to talk about the reality of friend itself. The reality of friend is when they are around you when you are down, when you are sad, when you get trouble,
and
suddenly they come.
Okay, I like your body language, Rian. Okay, thank you guys. My next question. Yeah, I would like to ask about the profile, the good people, as I mentioned just now from Dika. He has a friend, namely Aji, right? Okay, so what about you guys? Maybe you, Acha. Do you have a profile like relate with our topic? Like relate with our topic that he or she is helpful friend.
Yeah, actually, I have her name is Putri.
Putri Ariani?
No, Putri Karisma.
Oh, Putri Karisma.
Yeah,
Putri
her
Karisma?
name is Putri Karisma.
Aduta?
No, no.
Okay.
She is youngest than me, but I like to talk to her because when I have problem, I didn't know. She already know it, even though I haven't talked to her.
Okay.
It's like I text her and I said, "Put, what are you doing?" And she directly now. I see. I think, do you have problem, right? so yeah.
Automatically,
Yes.
So asking, yeah.
And then she really helpful for me because when I need it, her as she always comes.
What sample that you say that she always come when I need her?
Yeah, I have a moment with her when I was in Pare. I want to go home at that time because I feel that I can continue.
Pare Kediri, you mean?
Yes, I can continue my study here. I want to go home every
Oh.
day. Every day I say, I want to go home. I can continue my study here. And she said that, hey, you come from Sulawesi, right? And it's so far. And do you want to go home now? You haven't finished your study.
Okay.
And I think it again, and yeah, I continue it because of her. She gave me
suggestion.
Suggestion.
Okay. Good sample. Okay, what about you, Rian? What sample do you can give about helpful friend in around you? How it looks like? I mean, like the sample.
Okay, the sample of helpful friend, as I said before, helpful friend is like when you are down, then they come to
suddenly?
you and suddenly like that. And
Yes.
when you are sad, you text him or her, and they respond our text so fast.
Yeah,
like that.
For example, when you give a message that
to
your friend,
to my friend, then
please pick me.
Huh? What?
No.
If you we always together, like brotherhood, sisterhood, like that.
And Robin Hood.
No.
Brotherhood, sister, and Robin Hood
is a thief.
Yeah.
For
Brotherhood,
people,
sister, and and Robin Hood. And Hollywood. No. Kidding. Hollywood, Bollywood. Okay, what about you, Chicha? What the case? What is sample about Helpfull Friend, and who are they? Yes.
Well, I have several close friends.
Okay.
And my senior high school and now in my university. And yeah, I really love to having fun with them because they really help me and through the ups and downs. And yeah, I'm very thankful. And if I can mention one of my friends, I will say my senior high school friends. Her name is Dede. And
Dede Listi?
No, it's not. It's not. And
what a thing, like a sample that they help you. How? What things? What case?
When I was senior high school, and I don't really not good, but I'm not really good person. Like I don't not humble, being humble and like lovely girl, like and my friend Dede, she's a really cheerful girl and lovely girl all the time,
and give impact to you.
Give impact her energy.
To be low profile.
Yes.
To be humble.
Yeah, be humble.
Okay.
I used to be strict person.
Okay, which you are, extrovert, introvert, or ambivert?
Actually, ISFJ.
Introvert. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's why you sometimes you're thinking before you join with people's like community, like collect people, something like join like something like that, right?
Yeah.
Because you are introvert, right?
Yes, and yeah, she really changed my old behavior, and I happy for it.
Okay, it sounds nice. Okay, thank you, Chicha. What about you, Dika? Could you continue your story about your helpful friend? What's like? What the thing? What the case? She or he or they help you as a helpful friend?
Just like the one time my motorcycle just like not wanna turn on. I just want to like Tonda.
Tonda. Yes. Are you Makassar?
Yes.
Not Bugis.
Not.
Are you Makassar?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Tonda.
Tonda. And then just call him to Tonda my motorcycle.
Okay.
To the like bengkel.
Okay, and
then just like that, and he just with me until my motorcycle finish.
Oh, and you are safe.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
You are safe after that. Okay, yeah, I see this is a very helpful, as a helpful friend. Yeah, it works. So Aji, yeah?
Yes.
Aji. What about the other's name? Do you still have?
Still, but the most is
Aji. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we will move to the next question. Yeah. But yeah, if we move to the next question, the third question is helpful friend. Yeah. I move to Chicha. How do you think about the opposite people's? I mean, like helpful friend and helpful. Yes, or the opposite. How do you think about it?
Actually, yes, I've been experienced something like that.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, it's really dramatic. It was really dramatic. And
your personal experience?
Yes, personal experience when I was junior high school, and maybe I will mention about the different about.
You was a victim. You was a victim.
Not only me.
Okay.
Not only me. But before I go to the story, and I will mention about the male friendship and female friendship. There's a different about them, and I don't really know about the male friendship one, but in the female friendship, sometimes we, even though we are close, but sometimes we can saying all the things directly. Sometimes we have to make our words more acceptable, and sometimes to how to say menjaga,
to keep
our friendship longer, and sometimes we lie because we want to and we don't want to make them feel
disappointed, offensive and disappointed
by our words, and I guess there were a lot of problems was and it was really dramatic.
It was I think like
have to side face.
It's how to say a fake, something
a fake
like that.
Person.
But it's okay, that is your experience, and I think a lot of people face about that phenomenon. But before we are going to continue our discussion for this evening, of course we will be right back after this 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Don't go anywhere. Yes, we are here 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, how are you guys? Fine. Okay, still have a good spirit? Okay, give a applause first. Okay, thank you. Back to topic, not laptop. Yes, a helpful friend. I continue my question. Okay, my question is unhelpful. What about you? What about the opposite of that phenomena, like unhelpful friend?
Okay, unhelpful friends.
Yes.
Maybe like I think I just don't really care about what that kind person, because it just like not thing to my life. Like if I get some
what about the people who is unhelpful friend but very very neat? I mean, like the opposite. We always help them. We always help him, help her. But oh my God, they aren't. He isn't. She isn't. To me, to you, to us. What about it? What about your personal opinion about it?
Oh, maybe like just I think just do it what he need, but if not give the feedback, maybe just like we get the pahala about that, helping some people who need help like that.
So you do, I mean, like you help them,
yes,
even they are unhelpful.
Yes.
Okay, because you believe that you will get pahala.
Yeah, okay.
Very simple. Very simple but essential. Your statement. It sounds not good, but this is like another level, like a spiritual statement, something like that. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, what about you? You done. What about you? How do you think about unhelpful friend?
Okay. So if you talk about unhelpful friend, I think everyone have unhelpful friend.
Really?
Yeah, but I think even though they are not unhelpful, but I think because they have something. I mean, they have something to do, or maybe they have business to do. When we have
they have business to do.
If
they have business, we make it. If you don't have business with me, we don't make it. It means that
no, I mean
lo perlu Gue perlu itu jalan. Kalau nggak perlu berarti sorry. Who are you? Something like that.
No. I mean, when we need their help,
Okay.
they have another activity to do. Actually, they can help us, but when we need it, they have another activity.
But if or he or she need, you always come.
Yes.
Oh my God.
If I don't have something to do or a business is like I want to do my duty or I have something to do in another community or my class, I will help her or him.
Oh my God. Okay. You're so nice. For example, like kid, we always help the kid, but kid never help us.
Yeah, just
Let's
help
say
the
kid. Don't mention the name. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Brian? They have a kid, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's his name?
See,
Is she or is he?
both of them.
Oh, how? What do you mean, both of them? Two
And then there is
two kids?
yeah, two gents,
two kids.
two gents.
Two gents.
Yeah, gents of cat.
Okay.
There
Okay.
is
Two gents.
male. There is female.
Okay. So if they enter to the toilet,
No,
they have to.
they-
Sorry, kidding. Too far. Terlalu jauh kita. Okay. What about you about the unhelpful friends? This is opposite.
Okay.
Thanks.
Unhelpful friend.
Mhm.
Just say it fake friend, yeah.
Oh my God. Why?
Yeah, because yeah, if we need them, they are like have a business,
Keep away.
they can keep away,
Uh-huh.
disappear.
And ghosting.
Yeah, ghosting.
Uh-huh.
But
If
but if they need me, yeah,
you also
as
siapa lo?
as soon as possible I will come.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's called fake friend.
Okay, for example, the case like you appear, you
Like-
present, you exist for them.
Like if they need
Like eating maybe.
yeah. Can you help me to solve this problem?
Okay.
Yeah, like I have a problem. They how to say it? They deny it.
Oh, they didn't.
Yeah, like
Okay, I see.
But if they need me, yeah, as soon as possible I will help.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's like you are very kind.
Yeah,
Brian.
kind.
Yeah, kind traditional. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. My next question still helpful friend. Yeah. Maybe I start from you. Yeah. In your life, baby, what is the comparison about in the city and the village? Which one in the society is a more helpful, and why?
In this life,
Yeah, in your life, in your journey, when we compare about the city people and the village people, which one is helpful and why?
in my mind, I think in the village people,
Why?
because we can see that in city people, I mean, they have their own business. So when we need them, I think it's really hard to get their help.
Didn't you realize that the composition of the city, the people of the city, is come from village?
No, I mean they come to the city
Yes.
because they have their own business, right?
Yeah.
And it's really different in the village. I mean, we can
Okay.
get a help from our neighbor. Maybe we can. For me myself,
Yes.
I near with my neighbor
Mm.
in the village than in the city.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. But the reason you have to you have you to explain about the reason why they do that.
I think because they have their own business, right?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. What about you, Dika? As your experience, as your journey, yeah, like how to say, like in the social life, which one when you compare about the city people and the village people, which one is a care and why? Which one is helpful?
And maybe I think it's in the village
Yeah. Why?
because in the village like there's like I don't know what to explain it, but
Mm-hmm.
it's just little. No, not little, but big difference in this
Mhm.
in the city.
Totally different. You mean?
Yes, totally. The comparison of the village and the city. The village is like I don't know the people in their village maybe like there is just like how to say that
Make it close your mic, please. Okay.
like very care about us maybe like just being like KKN, you know.
Corruption, collusion, nepotism.
No.
Okay. I think that no. Okay.
Like just trying to be like kind to
Which one kind?
the village one.
Which one kind you mean?
The person.
I
the
think kind
person-
traditional.
Kind no,
Okay.
but the kind to me like you just after gathering some vegetable in their
Uh-huh.
garden,
Yeah.
he gave separate paper and give half of the farm
Mm-hmm.
to us
Mm-hmm.
and then half to them. In the village, in the city, like there's no just couple of person
Okay.
still care about another person, but mostly
Mhm.
they're just like don't care about
Mhm.
another
Mhm.
person.
Mm.
Village,
Okay.
like,
Okay, so you agree with her
yes.
also. Okay, 2 votes. Okay, what about you?
Oh.
When you compare, what is your opinion about it?
Maybe
Which one
I
you
will
choose?
go the village.
The village.
The village
Why?
one, cause the city person, really
Mm-hmm.
individualist.
Oh
I guess.
yeah, individualist. Okay.
Individualist, and yeah, sometimes they just mind their own business, and
Mhm.
I guess they're not really sincere sometimes.
Mhm. Mhm.
And I guess when I was go to village, I feel like
Where are you from?
I live in Maros, and not
Oh.
really a village, I guess.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, some of Maros people are friendly, and some of them are
Roti.
individualist.
Do you have a roti maras? Yes, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, continue.
And I think when I go to the village, I feel like people around the village really open up and really heartwarming, and
Okay.
yeah, we feel like we feel happy and feel more connection with the villagers.
More connection and the
Yes.
signal is good. Yes. Yes.
Even though
They are
we,
very welcome, right?
yes.
Okay. It means that the signal is good.
So in the village we don't have to using social media.
Okay.
We socialize directly, right?
Okay. Oh my God. It sounds very, very, how to say, it's like warm.
Yeah,
Yes.
heartwarming.
How,
Heartwarming
yeah,
person.
yeah. Okay, thank you, Chicha. Okay, what about Acha? Are you done? Sorry, you Brian.
okay.
How do you think about this?
I think village is good.
Yeah, where are you from?
Sidrap.
Sidrap.
Yes.
Okay. Why?
Yeah, because village people like very kind, very welcome.
Mhm.
Like if we come to their house, they
Yeah.
welcome us. Like we are the we are the special guests.
Yeah, so everybody is agree, yeah, to choose
Yeah. even
village
yeah,
people.
even they are they think that the city people is very busy, but they are very kind. Even they are there is a wedding party.
Wedding party,
Yeah,
yes.
they the city people the city person just order catering like that, but the Filipinos they help each other.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I see. Yeah. Okay. Then my next question. Okay. Please mention what is your helpful case to your friends. It's okay. You mention your how to say your thing that you help people, something like that. Okay. What kind? What? Okay. I start from you. What kind of you have done to help people, something like that. But you don't
Okay.
need, yeah. But you don't need mention the name that you help, right? Okay. But you just mention,
The story.
yeah, the story your
Yeah,
help to
I
people.
see. Okay, maybe the first is when my friends need help to do the duty.
Mm-hmm.
Homework maybe. They always call me, text me, how to do it this. I don't know. I don't understand. Can you help me to finish it? And use
Like chemistry or mathematics or basics.
English actually.
Sorry.
English.
English.
Yes.
Okay.
And the second maybe when my friends, I mean their money, they already spend their money
Yeah.
before the deadline.
Okay.
Yeah, I usually help them.
Oh, you're so
I
kind.
what how to say
Don't be cry.
no
Uh-huh.
no, I'm not cry. I lend my money to them
Okay.
because they need it, right?
Oh yeah, you're so very kind. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. What about you, Chicha? Do you get a point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Actually, I don't really know about what I give for my friends, but one of my friends once told me that she really happy to having friend with me because she said that I'm not leaving her behind because before we met, she doesn't really have friends, so that's why it made me apa terharu. Yeah.
Let's say terharu.
Yeah, let's say terharu and yeah, I'm like, oh my god, I feel very useful.
Don't
I
be
guess.
cry, Dika. Don't be cry, Dika. Okay.
Yes, I guess that's.
Yeah.
And
Any else?
any else maybe like Kak Acha said, maybe in our duty, our
Okay.
in university and
Mhm.
yes,
Uh,
apa ya? Maybe the information
okay.
sometimes.
Okay, don't cry. Okay, what about you, Brian? Do you get the point, right? Yeah. What kind? How? Yeah.
What kind of
your-
people?
Yeah. You help the
yeah.
people, but you don't need to mention the people,
Okay.
right? Okay, please.
This is the story about when I was come to university at the
Okay.
first time, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, at the time I don't really have a friend, you know.
Okay.
But suddenly there is a woman comes to me and how to say, mengajak kenalan. Like after like kenalan, she just say
She.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah,
Oh my God,
I'm
it was a
happy
surprise.
to have a friend like you.
Okay.
And
you give the money
no,
to her
no,
to go home,
no.
right?
And
Okay.
when we are like have a assignment for the how to say dosen,
Yeah, lecturer.
like yeah, our teacher give assignment. Uh, they we like we
falling in love together.
No. we do it together. Like like we are team.
Okay.
And
Collaborate, right?
Yeah, collaborate. Yes.
Okay. And you help her.
And
what kind? You're helping to her. What kind? Like some money, a paper, or pen, or facilities, or what?
I just give her like
dollar.
No, I'm.
Okay, we're waiting. You come on, you can do it. Come on,
I just give her like. I always treat her when
sorry
treat.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
There is warung baso in front of my near for my university.
Because he's very hungry, maybe, and lots of money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, as a thanks.
Thank you, Brian. Yeah. What about you, Dika?
Maybe like my experience about that. Maybe like my friend is just
some
like
people,
some people.
Okay.
Maybe like I just take a ride.
Sorry?
Take a ride.
Take a ride. Huh?
Menumpang.
Okay. I think take a manga.
No.
And ngerujak. Yes.
Then some like help them the assignment.
Okay.
Like the English one. Because in math I just stupid.
Oh, come on! Don't mention it, Dika. Come on! Oh my God, you are too honest. Yeah.
And then the like maybe just like same like the other like treat some people.
Yeah. And after this, treat me.
The opposite one.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Any else?
No.
You keep your statement.
Yeah.
Okay, after this, guys, don't forget to prepare your conclusion, your vocabularies, your idioms, your wise word, or your final words, and etc. about it. Maybe we start from conclusion. Yeah, I start from you, Brian. Yeah, about the conclusion, our topic for this evening. Helpful friend.
Okay, the conclusion is like whatever your friend don't be how to say don't be too close to your friend. Yeah, because if you are
because we are still coronavirus zone.
If you are too close,
give away,
and suddenly they don't care about you. You feel
disappointed. It's
heartbreak so deeply.
Oh, heartbreak so deeply. I can't break my heart, something like that. Okay. Yeah, what about you, Dika? What is your conclusion? Yes.
My conclusion is maybe like just say like help each other on your human being.
Okay.
Because sometimes maybe you like if you help your friends, maybe just you feedback with another person's your help your friend like how to say like help apa ya? I forget the word.
Forget your how to say something like the wise word like lupakan lupakan kebaikanmu, ya. Yeah, something like that, right? Yeah. Okay, I see actually. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Dika. But after this, of course, you keep guys, you prepare to about use vocabularies, vocabularies, idioms, wise word, final words, and after that, and etc. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, maybe I will thank to all my friends. I want to say thank you for all of them because they really really helpful, and I really love them. And I really love them. And so if you want to be if you want to have a good friend, you have to be a good person first. And yes, he will giving you a good feedback as well. And maybe
like law of attraction. Okay.
We say Gen Z, is it? Law of attraction. And for the unhelpful friend, maybe they, even though they're not really good for us, but at least we can get something from them.
Take a listen.
Take a listen, and moreover.
Okay. Thank you, Chicha. What about you, Acha? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, so my conclusion, I think, just help each other, and don't think about the feedback that they will give to you. I mean, if they need help as you can, don't think about the feedback. Maybe not she or he will help you at some time. But
who knows? We don't know, right? Okay.
Just help them as you can. Maybe just
Okay. Who's gonna be one to saying some vocabularies or idioms or Vanna words or etc.? You have vocabularies related with our topic? Idioms? Okay. What about you? Do you have idioms? Oh my god. Vocabularies? No? Idioms? Okay. What about you, Rian? Do you have vocabularies? Idioms? What about you? Do you have vocabularies or idioms? Vocabularies related with our topic for this event, like helpful friend.
I have no idea.
You don't have no idea. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your kind attention, and of course, present or coming here in our second home in Smart Up. Of course, Smart Up your life in Smart FM 101.1, Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Thank you, Dika from Elliot Letter. Thank you, Chicha from Max. Thank you, Acha from EUC. Thank you, Rian, from BPEC, and thanks to me from all of communities, because I come from all of communities. Okay, guys, smart viewers and listeners at home, that's all our conversation in program Smart Up Your Life English Community with Smart FM, of course, from Max, from Elliot Letters, from BPEC, and from EUC. That's all our topic for this evening, helpful friend. We will see you guys for the next week. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. See you. Bye bye.